how to connect GoDaddy domain to Shopify. So let's get started. First thing first, all you have to do is open or get access to your Shopify dashboard. First open Shopify and navigate to your store's dashboard, and from here go to the settings in the bottom left hand corner. And from there select domains from the menu. Now all you have to do is log into your GoDaddy account. In the domain section, you will see options for managing your domains. All you have to do is click on connect existing domain. After that, type in your domain name, and for this example we are using xyz.com. After that, enter your domain in the format www.yourdomain.com and click next. Now, to connect your domain, you need to add DNS records to GoDaddy as well. Log into your GoDaddy account and go to Manage DNS section. From there, scroll down to see your existing DNS records. If you have an existing CNAME record for the www.subdomain, delete it and click on Add to create a new record. Now, once you have added the necessary DNS records, go back to the Shopify and click on Verify Connection. Then Shopify will check if it can connect to your domain. This should happen almost instantly. Once the connection is verified, you must see your new domain as the primary domain for your store. Now all you have to do is in the domain section, find your domain, click on it and select change domain type and set it as the primary domain. Then simply test your domain and give Shopify and GoDaddy a couple of hours to propagate, although it might be instant. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.